Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I got this box from Let's Resin. It's colored UV resin keychain starter kit. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what we've got here. So let's look. We've got some gloves, because if you've ever worked with resin, you know that you need some gloves for that resin. Got another box that does not want to stay. Okay, there we go. What else do we have in here? We have some different bezels in here. Let's look at those. We've got a heart. Oh, we've got lots of hearts. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hearts. And then we have this little flower that is made up of hearts. We've got a nice sunflower. We've got a rose. And a tulip. Another flower here. And then that little guy, it's more flowers. I forget the name of them, but super cute. So we've got that. What is this? We also have some molds. Let's look at these. They're silicone molds. And this one is a teardrop. You can make earrings with the teardrops. A heart. You can make earrings with those. You can make, what are they called? Charms. Wait, this one is a rectangle. This one you can make a little dog keychain. Same, or earrings, or whatever you'd like, but it's got that round shape. And then this one is a flower. So we got that. That'll be fun as well. We've got some jump rings. Oh, these are the actual keychains. Let's take one out and see. There we go. We've got some mini jump rings. And I don't know what the name of these are, but they are for swiping and cleaning off the resin, like especially in these hole areas, cleaning those out. We have some tape. This is for when you're going to put the resin right on the bezel. You put this down and you put it as a backing. So I'll make some stuff with this for sure so that you can see it. We've got the little silicone, because the resin won't stick to the silicone, to poke out any air bubbles, get stuff off of the sides. Got a pair of tweezers. A UV resin light. Am I putting it up too high? Let's see, a UV resin light. And then we got tons of lids for the resin, so we can put it in there and have some control. Tons and tons here. So that is nice. And then let's look at the colors. We've got a green, an orchid, dark pink, black, orange, yellow. That looks a little green, but it says yellow, so I'm going to believe them. We got a brown, a red, purple, white. What I like about this is normally I use clear and then I put resin to color my own, but these are already colored for us. So that's blue, and then finally a royal blue. So that is everything that's in here. I cannot wait to try it. In fact, probably I will put this away, get it all figured out, and do another video for you right quick. But this is everything. That is a great little bunch of stuff to make some keychains with. So I will put the link for you if you wanted to grab one yourself. That would be totally cool, but I'm definitely going to make a video so you can see how to use it. I already know with the black and the red and the orange, I think I'm going to make one of these hearts into a fire heart. So that's what we're going to try and do. That's going to be my first one. So if you want to see me make those, make sure you are subscribed, and let me know that you like this video by leaving me a big thumbs up or a heart or wherever you're watching to let me know that you like this. Again, this is called Let's Resin Colored UV Resin Keychain Starter Kit. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.